Hey, welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here. Hey, it's time for the first mow of the year. This is my first real mow of the year. Boy, it's good to get the mower out again after a long winter. I just wish the lawn was in better shape. This was going to be the first year that I was able to mow it low with the Reel mower from the beginning of the season until the end. I was really looking forward to that. You may remember that my mower was new last year and I had to mow the lawn low for the first time and then wait several weeks for my lawn to get used to being mowed that low. But here I am, waiting for the lawn to recover before it looks good again. A severe case of snow mold is the cause this year, but you can see some of the grass is already starting to grow back in the bare areas. I think it's mostly Kentucky Bluegrass that's growing back so far. It's hardier than Perennial Ryegrass. I'm thinking about applying more of the same seed that I planted the lawn with the previous fall. I still have some of it, and if I use it, I may be able to maintain the same 70 to 30% of Perennial Ryegrass to Kentucky Bluegrass that I originally had in the lawn. If I don't use it, some of the Perennial Ryegrass will be lost, and the Kentucky Bluegrass will spread and fill in the areas that the Perennial Ryegrass vacated. That might leave me with a notably inconsistent mixture of the two grasses. It feels a little bit weird mowing so much air right now, and the neighbors may be having a little chuckle watching me mow this battered lawn. But I still need to keep the remaining grass trained to a low height of cut. I'm actually having a hard time seeing what I've cut and what I haven't cut. And my lines, if you can see them, are getting a little bit wobbly. I wasn't planning to cross-cut it, but some of the grass on the bare edges is rolling over and not being cut. Going at it from the other angle will help me to get some of the blades that I missed on the first pass. There's a little bit of leaf litter I want to blow off. And there it is, or what's left of it. All I can say now is grow baby grow. If I grew it the first time, I can grow it again. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video notebook. And remember, you can do it.